What if it was just a simple coming down, soutenu under glissade, and just a nice sort of supported jeté that kind of flew a bit around the space?
We're very excited this year to be premiering a new production of Cinderella. We first did Cinderella in 2015, but we're redoing it this year. We've got new sets, we've got new costumes. It's going to be a gorgeous production. Yeah, because I think we're going to get something big, actually, something quite spectacular, something nice. We've got some brilliant dancers dancing Cinderella and all the other parts. It's based on the Brothers Grimm fairy tale, so it's not what you expect, and it's Ballet Cymru, so we're never what you expect. We've got music by Jack White, who's a local composer. He's from Cardiff, and he first did a score for us in 2015, and he's reworking it for us this year with live elements. We've got 3 live musicians with us for our premiere in Newport. Then we're going to take that recording on tour throughout the country, throughout Wales and throughout the UK. We're rehearsing for it now in the studio. We're really excited. We're reworking stuff with our dancers, but they're very, very creative dancers, and they're working out characters and motifs, and we're putting it together into our Cinderella.
Better. Yeah, she gets a bit like there, and then it gets a bit, I don't know if there's a way or if it's a height thing, I don't know. Yeah, that looked a bit smoother there. Spinning her around, yeah. Wait, it looks like Maria, if you do a deep lunge, Hugo, when you put it down, it looks like he needs to be like this and put it that way.
Alright.
So it looks like she needs to be down this way, and then you can always change what comes next. So come down that way, so you turn it around, and then more, about you being in this environment.
So keep that for now, but it might change, it probably will.